Open a new Notepad window. Paste the script from the description into it. Click on the File menu. Select Save. Set the desktop as the file location. Enter install GPEDIT.bat as the file name. Click on Save and close the file. Next, refresh the desktop. Right-click on the install GPEDIT.bat file. Select Run as Administrator and click Yes in the UAC prompt. You now have to wait for the script to execute. Windows will find and download files for the local group policy editor. The process typically takes less than 5 minutes. Once the window reads, press any key to continue. Do that. Now, press the Windows and S keys together, type GPEDIT.MSC and open the utility. If you correctly copied the script, the local group policy editor should run fine. Do you need GPEDIT.MSC? For regular users, no. The built-in Windows settings are enough in most cases. For system or IT administrators, yes. It lets you easily reconfigure advanced system settings that you can't access through the standard settings app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.